yeah. Oh, yeah, oh. Crashing waves. Eh. Oh, 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 oh. Down by the shoreline, late in the day, watching the sunset fade away. Warm island breeze upon my face, trying to find a better place. Footprints washing in the sand, time keeps slipping through my hands, but the ocean sings a sweet refrain, washing away my hurt and pain. And every tide keeps rolling in, like a brand new chance to live again. The sea keeps calling out my name. Nothing stays, everything changed. Crashing waves carry me home, across the waters where my spirit rolls. Crashing waves, sing your song, remind me where my heart belongs. When the world gets heavy and the sky turns gray, I hear the ocean say, let it go, let it flow away, like the crashing waves. Some people come and some people go, like the river to the ocean flow. Holding on only brings more pain. Life keeps moving like the rain. Jaja guide me through the night, keep my soul steady in the fight. And when I'm feeling lost at sea, the rhythm always rescues me. Every tide keeps rolling in, like a brand new chance to live again. The sea keeps calling out my name. Nothing stays, everything changes. Crashing waves carry me home, across the waters where my spirit rolls. Crashing waves, sing your song, remind me where my heart belongs. When the world gets heavy and the sky turns gray, I hear the ocean say, let it go, let it flow away, like a crashing wave. Hear the water cry beneath the moonlit sky. Everywhere we're drifting out to sea, leaving only peace inside of me. Oh, crashing waves, crashing